Welcome to Finance with Avern. Today I want to talk about USDC on Coinbase. Now, Coinbase recently raised their APY annual percentage yield on USDC from 0.15% to 1.5%. Now, that is a big jump right there. Now, USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the dollar. So it's 1 for 1. One USDC is $1. And USDC is United States dollar coin. And earning interest on it on Coinbase is very easy. So I want to talk about that here and also tell you more about what USDC is. Now, up front, I want to let you know, though, that this is not FDIC insured. So this isn't like a savings account or a checking account at a major bank. Holding USDC is not like holding just cash, and it's not going to be FDIC insured on the Coinbase app right there. If something goes wrong, you won't be protected up to $250,000 or anything like that. So for USDC, I don't use it as a savings account or anything like that. Use it for, quick transactions with cryptocurrency and things like that and trading. But earning interest on it while it's sitting in your account is nice. And let's get into the rewards program for earning interest on Coinbase. And with that APY, the annual percentage yield of 1.5%, it accrues daily and it compounds monthly. And of course, that rate is subject to change at any moment. It could go down, it can go up, and that rewards, the interest and everything is paid out in USDC within the first 5 business days of the next month right there for the rewards that you earned for that month that you held the USDC. And to be eligible for this program to earn the rewards for holding USDC and Coinbase, you have to be a US customer, excluding Hawaii residents, and your account must be verified at account level 2, which is just that process that Coinbase goes to verify your account to make sure who's opening it. The account is actually who's opening the account. And you also have to hold at least $1 of USDC in your Coinbase account. And there is no maximum amount of USDC you can hold. And of course, the more USDC you hold, the more rewards you'll earn right there. And there's no fees for holding the USDC on the account or anything like that. No annual fee, no monthly fee, or anything like that for holding USDC on your account. And like I was stating, the rewards are distributed within the first 5 business days of the following month. However, if you withdraw your entire balance anytime before the end of the month, you will still receive the rewards that you earned for that month so far. And of course, you can opt out from this program because you're automatically placed in this program to earn these rewards if you have USDC on Coinbase. But you can opt out online on the website or on the mobile app. And I was showing that earlier in the video. You just go to manage under the yield section right there for the USDC, and then you just opt out. Just tap out if you want to do that. There is a rewards pending section right there, which is just the estimate of the rewards that have not yet been distributed to your account yet. And then also with taxes, though, if you are subject to U.S. tax, you are required to report the rewards that you earn from earning the interest on the USDC right there. And U.S. customers who earn more than $600 in USDC rewards will receive a 1099 MISC, the miscellaneous form right there from Coinbase. And you can learn more about that on the IRS.gov and everything. So you have to report that. And each reward distributed at the end of the month will populate as a line item in your Coinbase transaction history report as well. You can download that whole process right there. So now let's get into an overview of what is USDC United States dollar coin. It was formed in a collaboration between Coinbase and Circle as a cryptocurrency with a stable price. So meaning it moves on the blockchain. It goes on the blockchain 24/7 at internet speeds. However, it keeps a stable price. So it's going 1-to-1 for the dollar. 1 USDC is always going to equal 1 US dollar. You don't expect it to go on any kind of massive bull runs, go up in price, or crash down during a crypto winter. No matter what's going on in the cryptocurrency market, in the realm with Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the other coins, the altcoins, it's going to keep a 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar. And there is $52 billion worth of USDC in circulation right there. However, with the USDC, it keeps that stable value. So customers with a US bank account, the US dollar bank account, can always move that 1 USDC, from Coinbase to their bank account for that $1. So vice versa, back and forth like that, giving it that stable price. So if you got $100, $1,000, $52,567 of USDC. That's the equivalent of that same amount in United States dollars right there. And it's backed by a fully reserved asset. So each USDC is backed by $1 or asset with equivalent fair value, which is held in accounts with US regulated financial institutions. And Circle just recently put out a blog post last month giving greater transparency of this process right here, of that reserve and how they hold a reserve for that USDC USDC, which is mostly cash and US Treasury securities. And they do a breakdown right here, which is nice on the Circle blog right there. You can check that out and get a full breakdown of the US Treasuries and the cash and the amounts in dollars and everything that they hold to back up that over $50 billion of USDC in circulation. USDC is powered by Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. If you know something about crypto and cryptocurrency, you likely know or heard something about Ethereum. And USDC is an Ethereum token, so you can store it in an Ethereum compatible wallet like the Coinbase wallet and use it for global transactions. So you can move dollars across the world right there to other exchanges, businesses, and people, and vice versa. So you can receive it as well, not just send it. You can, of course, receive it. And it's on the blockchain, so it's moving at those fast speeds right there. And you just have to be aware, of course, any fees associated with other exchanges and businesses or anything like that. So, but holding it in your Coinbase account, there's no fees associated with that. And there are no fees associated with just holding it in Coinbase to earn that interest, the APY on. However, the Coinbase Pro accounts are not eligible for the rewards program. So it's just the regular Coinbase accounts that can earn that 1.5% APY on their USDC. And USDC follows the ERC20 standard, which is that Ethereum blockchain, and it is widely used. And thus it can be used on any app that accepts tokens based on that standard. And like I say, the ERC20, the Ethereum blockchain, is widely used. I don't know of any exchange or business associated with cryptocurrency that doesn't support it. I mean, I'm not saying for sure everyone does. I'm sure there are some that don't, but from what I've seen, and I'm not a crypto expert, however, I do have experience with cryptocurrency for the past couple of years, and that is a very widely used standard right there. And as you can see through the regions, is widely supported with USDC and of course on the Coinbase Pro, and Coinbase Wallet. And there's just more information right there on the crypto trading pairs. So there's a lot of pairs associated with USDC and then the USDC Bitcoin, USDC. It's also noted right there on the site that USDC is supported on Coinbase through the Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon networks. So it can run on all of those blockchains right there, which are also widely used blockchains. And Polygon is like a level 2 that works with Ethereum to lessen transaction fees and help transactions move faster. And Solana has its own blockchain as well. So USDC is a widely used stablecoin and over $50 billion in circulation. And with the reserves right there, it's my stablecoin of choice. As far as like when I'm holding stablecoin in cryptocurrency, USDC is the main one I've held. I also have held GUSDC, the Gemini stablecoin. However, USDC is the main stablecoin that I hold. And I like seeing interest on it that's kind of lower, because I held USDC in another account at another exchange that I won't name in this video because it's not about them, and it had a really hefty high APY, but that made them take on some risks to pay for that APY, which is a whole issue going on right now, and that USDC isn't safe. So like I said, USDC is not FDIC insured. So yeah, just be aware of that. When it comes to cryptocurrency, there are risks involved. And even though USDC is my stablecoin of choice, that's my main stablecoin that I use and that I prefer, I'm not going to use it as a savings account. I'm not going to put all my money in cash sitting there. Even though 1.5% is nice, I do earn higher percentage than that on APY in my savings account actually. So, but when it comes to a stablecoin and cryptocurrency, USDC is my favorite, and that's what I will hold when I hold a little bit or something in my Coinbase account to make, transactions and to pay for other cryptocurrencies and everything. But that is it with the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Take care.